The last part of the sampling process is to clean up our area before we leave. Now what we're doing here is what we would do on a sample as well. Although we have the moisture probe installed, we would remove the moisture probe by checking to make sure that the drain valve is closed and then undoing the moisture probe from the drain valve. You will see that there's some moisture probe in the manifold of the moisture sensor as well. And we have to make sure that we capture that oil so it doesn't spill on the ground. So in that case, we took off the quick connector. We're draining any moisture from the manifold, and we're going to place it back in its box. You can see that there's oil still draining from the connection on the drain valve. In this case, now we're going to remove the adapter that we placed on it, but there's going to be quite a bit of oil behind it, so we have to make sure that it's captured properly and not spilled onto the ground. You can see as we go to unscrew it, we kind of slow down at the end so that any oil behind the fitting does not come gushing out and get all over the place. We're going to clean the valve again to remove as much oil as possible so that the next time it's sampled, a person may not run into the same issue with so much oil behind the drain plug. We're wiping off the drain plug. We're going to put some more Teflon tape on it to make sure that the threads seal correctly. A pipe tape or a pipe dope, what some people call, is used to seal the threads correctly. Metal to metal threads are not made to seal directly against each other. There must be some sort of sealing agent that goes onto it. Although Teflon tape becomes stringy after you remove it, is much easier to remove than liquid pipe dope that is sometimes used, and that becomes very sticky and problematic. This is a little bit more easier to use. We're reinstalling the plug. Okay. You can see that we check the hand wheel again to make sure that everything is okay. We cleaned up all our instruments and our samples and stuff from around the drain area and made sure the area is clean for use. And the transformer is ready again for another sampling.